outages are still impacting thousands across the region this morning. Crews are already mobilizing, working around the clock to restore power as quickly.
Before most of us start our day, Duke Energy line workers are preparing and planning, because reliable power starts with the work you don't always see. You've seen them respond when storms hit, working long hours to restore power as quickly and safely as possible. But they're not just restoring power. Most days it's work like this, replacing poles and lines, upgrading equipment, adding technology to the grid that helps shorten and prevent outages. This is the teamwork behind the scenes, strengthening the system, integrating automation, and doing it the right way every time. Today, we're saying thank you. Lineworkers bring the skill and safety focus it takes to keep power reliable for our customers. And every day, they're building a stronger, more reliable grid for the future. Thank you for the work you do every day to keep the lights on.